Welcome to Absolutely Beautiful Cooking with Devon. I'm Devon and I'm your host. Today we will be making gluten-free lemon bars. Preheat the oven to 350. Make sure to have adult supervision. First you'll need 1 cup of gluten-free flour. Next you'll need a half cup of softened butter, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 2 eggs, a cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon baking powder, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First make the crust using gluten-free flour, powdered sugar, and softened butter, and then mix. When the crust is mixed, pour into an ungreased 8x8 pan. Press the crust firmly into the bottom, building up the sides. When the crust is finished, put it in the oven for 20 minutes to bake. While the crust is cooking, combine the rest of the ingredients and mix well. Crack eggs into a separate bowl. Then stir. After 15 to 20 minutes, take your crust out of the oven. Immediately pour your filling into your crust. Put it back into the oven. Set timer for 20 minutes. Remove the lemon bars from the oven and let them cool. When the lemon bars are cool, cut and share! Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. Make sure to go under this video, hit the subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up.